Dear students, welcome to the 25th lecture of 8051 timer/counter. So this is one more example of embedded C program. Let me read the question first. Write an 8051 C program to create a frequency of 2500 Hz on pin 2.7. That means we need to generate the square wave whose frequency is equal to 2500 Hz, and that is to be generated on pin 2.7. Use timer 1 mode 2. Use timer 1 mode 2, that is again auto reload, and we need to use timer 1, and we need to assume that the crystal frequency is 11.059 megahertz. 11.059 megahertz. Okay, so first let us do the calculation. We need to generate the square wave, right? This square wave should have 2500 hertz frequency. Okay, so how the calculation is done? So first, 1 divided by 2500, 1 by f is equal to t, so t is equal to 1 by f we should do, that is you will get 400 microseconds. So 1 divided by 2500 hertz, that the given frequency is to be done, that is equal to 400 microseconds. So this is total t. This is total t. So for one pulse I will get the 400 microseconds divided by 2, that is equal to 200 microseconds. This is for either a positive pulse or a negative pulse. Okay, then this 200 microseconds should have to be divided by 1.85. This is a machine cycle of 8051, that is 1.085 microseconds. You will get approx 184. So this value is to be subtracted from 256 because we are in mode 2. So 256 minus 184, you will get 72. Okay, so you can take a 72 in terms of decimal, so we need to take minus 72, or you can take 42 in hexa. So this is how the calculation is to be done. You can go through this once again, you will get it. Okay, now how to start with the program. The program will be started as usual. We have seen in the last two examples or three examples. So hash include reg51.h, void t1 m2 delay void s bit my bit is equal to p2.7 void main unsigned char x while unsigned char x while here we are taking you can take unsigned int x also, while 1 my bit is equal to negation of my bit, so call the delay function. So after calling the delay function, so after negation you should call a delay function, right? So void t1 m2 delay, so we need to calculate the value of t mod first as usual, t1 comma m2, that information will be given to t mod. Again we have got a 72 here, you can write minus 72 directly, or if you want to represent that with the hex, so 0x42 is to be written, and that should be given to th1. Start the timer, check for tf1 with a semicolon, the waiting process is to be done here, and stop if tf value becomes equal to 1, then it is to be set to 0, and after that it will go with this, and these two statements will be get executed repeatedly. Okay, this is one more type of example. Okay, this is one more type of example.